cattle handling and the modern technology we've come to with our stock and ship these days. If you look over on that big bin trailer over there, you'll see a saddle hanging there and there's a rope. That was the first squeeze chute, if you really think about it. And we've come a long ways from that first squeeze chute to now. If you look behind me, there's quite a bit of technology that's been added into it. So I'm not saying we'd never use rope anymore, but this is what we're talking about today. So I think it's great that these guys have all got together and decided to have a friendly display of their products. But this is the Air-Equip Equipment Shootout, and we're going to play just a little bit of a video to talk about Air-Equip and their thoughts and ideas on cattle handling equipment. So, to the big screen.
At Air-Equip, we believe in innovative design and engineering while taking care of the rancher and the ranch. Introducing Air-Equip's new Q-Catch 86 series manual squeeze chute, the quietest manual chute ever manufactured. Engineered with a variety of features for dependable strength, as well as safe, simplified, low-stress cattle handling. Complete with a new easy operation single lever, second generation head holder. This holds and releases the animal's head more safely and easily, giving you maximum control while keeping the animal calm. The ergonomically friendly single lever push to close, pull to open Q-Catch head gate can be operated from anywhere along the chute, making it easy for one person to operate. The new wide needle gate design gives better access when branding or needling, while the removable inspection gates are easy to adjust for various positions, giving ranchers multiple animal access options. And with full side access to either the top, bottom, or the entire animal, you can manage your cattle quickly, easily, and efficiently. 2 rows of engineered composite rump fingers further the quietness of the chute, as well as ensure that the rump bar can be used for any sized animal. The new vet cage design comes standard on the Q-Catch 86 series and includes an anti-swing cam slam latch to eliminate the door swinging through unexpectedly. The door can also open entirely to the inside, giving it 180 degrees maneuverability when needed. An innovative rolling door on poly rollers and rubber guides allows for both offside and near side operation, or can be operated from either side of the Q-Catch 86 series. Precision manufactured high quality bars, powder coated steel, and all bars are square shaped to increase strength as well as reduce pressure points on the animals. The Q-Catch 86 series features a full-length squeeze that squeezes from 29.5 inches down to just 7.5 inches, making operating even the smallest calf up to the largest bull efficient and safe. Air-Equip's molded rubber floors give animals better traction and dramatically reduces noise. Poly-compound rubber protected steel parts on all quick-release latches and rubber spring hinges make the Q-Catch 86 series the quietest manual squeeze chute ever. With Air-Equip, you're guaranteed maximum efficiency, resulting in higher profits and more time to do the things that truly matter to you and your family. This is innovative cattle handling like never before and is a new global standard in the cattle equipment industry. This is the new Q-Catch 86 series cattle chute. The bar has been set. Visit aeroequip.com to learn more.
Very nice. So we'll bring all of our presenters in. And as you see, you get what you pay for. And so Air-Equip gets a little more because they pay for this deal. So that's why they get the big screen. But these guys come in, and they've all decided to come in and display their chutes and do their thing. I've had the opportunity to go to the Air-Equip factory up in Manitoba, Canada, a couple of times. Once their old factory did burn down, and I saw their new one here a year or two ago, and it's really nice. I really enjoy their designer. The guy, he and I kind of are cattle handling guys, so we have a lot to talk about. He's a cool guy. So, and I think we have Ron Gill. Is Ron with us?
Yes, sir.
Ron is here, and Ron is actually going. Ron and I work a lot with the National Cattlemen's Beef Association with the Stock and Ship and Stewardship Program, and Ron's going to Australia this year to display and work Air-Equip. So I'm I'm real proud of my partner for getting to go. So anyway, we'll just start. Let's start at this end. So Joel, I'm coming to you. We're going to start down this way and head back that way. We'll do it just the opposite order this time. So we'll go with Preferred first.
Hey, my name's Joy Gamble. I'm an outside sales rep at Preferred, one of 12 in the country. I want to be demonstrating our #1 selling chute, SL4 squeeze chute, and how easy and simple it is to operate and how easy it is on the cattle. Preferred's been in business building cattle equipment now since 1964, just right down the road here in Mount Pleasant, Texas. Proud made in the United States company and making awesome products. So enjoy the show.
Number 2. Who's working? Okay, we'll just come right down the line. Whoever's working for you.
We've got a bunch of guys that work cattle chutes, and you hook them up with microphones. Things don't go very well generally, but we're all going to do our best. I do want to thank Equip for sponsoring this. It gives us an opportunity to show our products. I want to thank Preferred for doing all the work in setting the pen up and the systems up. It's very helpful. We couldn't do it without it. My name is David Rader. My son and I are the owners of Pearson Livestock Equipment. Pearson's been in business since 1961. Originally started in Thetford, Nebraska. And we still have that plant in Thetford, and we've opened up a new plant in Vernon, Texas, approximately 2 years ago. We make a full line of manual chutes and hydraulic chutes and tubs and alleys and things of that nature. We're known as a producer of high quality products. Everything's made in Texas or Nebraska. And I'll be demoing our XL chute with a self-catch head gate and a bifold tailgate and with a manual head control unit. And so I'm grateful for the opportunity to show you the product and appreciate you being here.
Right, ready? Okay. My name is Lane Thompson. I've been an Arrow dealer, one of their first dealers inside Mississippi, been a little over 10 years. The reason why they played the video so I wouldn't forget what to tell you and help us out. This is our 8600 series chute. It also has a head holder on it. They also have a full line of tubs, alleys, portable units. Everything here, all these chutes here are good quality. Say we come outside or just as everything here, we just got a limited amount of room. We'll all show you. Our products will fit you, your price range, what you need, all this good stuff. And another thing we touched on a little bit yesterday is in the old chute you might have had for 4 years is still good. The day and age we're in now, you also have of course some stress on your cattle unit, but if you get somebody in liabilities and stuff, and if you got good quality equipment and your feeds are good, your shape, that helps you good, but it also makes you more money, there's less stress with your cattle. And also like thank Preferred for there's a lot of work, but also here, hope you enjoy the show.
Good afternoon. I'm Mr. Alexander Livestock. My wife and I have been in business for about 15 years. Today we're going to present, it's a Titan West economy chute. Titan West has been in the cattle handling business for over 30 years. We offer a wide range of different style of head gates, hydraulic chutes, parallel squeeze chutes, portable working tubs, portable corrals, scales, a wide variety of livestock handling equipment. We do use what we sell on our own operation also. The chutes all have a 5-year warranty on them. This particular model here is going to have an automatic head gate, the drop gate. We have access doors on either side. This is the one we're going to be presenting today. We'd like to thank everyone for attending the 2018 Cattle Raisers Convention. And also we would like to thank Preferred they spent a lot of time and effort, the McCoys, out with that quite a bit. And also with Aeroquip supplying the funds to be able to put this on, just to showcase the different variety of chutes that are available. Every chute that's here is high quality equipment. They just have different variations, different type of cattle, different way of working. It's one way to be able to come to one location and look at each individual setup, fits to your specifications. Whenever this is all over with, it will all be left here with the chutes for any question. It's the cattle crew. Kurt will allow everybody to come in that wants to look and visit about the chutes with everybody. So again, thank you very much.
Stronghold products. Their inception was back in somewhere in 1965. We've been with them about 7 or 8 years. We're distributed in 4 southern states that's around us. We'll be showing a 900D chute here today. In conjunction, I want to echo what the other guys have said. We want to thank Preferred and Aeroquip for making this possible to show our products as well as theirs. We appreciate your attendance. This particular chute that we're showing is not the chute we use. We're actually a cow camp operator as well. We don't use this particular model chute, but it has some of the features that we use. The head catch is manual. It's either at the front or the rear of the chute. The chute allows you to open the animal with the bars that slide up and down it, open the doors so that you can actually view the animal, touch the animal inside or whatever once she's caught. So we'll be showing this chute today. It has several features like each of us, we tell people that every chute has good features and bad features, and it's really what works for you because it's an individual thing. We all work cattle differently, even with the same chute. Everybody does something a little different with the chute. So it's really good for y'all to have the opportunity to compare the different features and what really works for you in your operation. Thank you.
Let's give them all kind of a round of applause for that. Tell you, not only agriculture, but Texas agriculture is different. I wonder if we'd have had a bunch of motorcycle salesmen or something up here, if they'd have been complimenting each other, wanting to help each other. And I don't think that happens as much in other businesses as our agriculture business, and I think Texas has a special way. So I think that's pretty cool that you guys are all so willing to help each other and partner up and help each other set up, take down, and talk about. That's really, really hats off to you guys. So with that, let's just get this party started, I guess. So we'll start with the luck of the draw. We'll start on this end, and we'll just work on through. Now these guys will help each other, make the flow go better, and everything will be just fine. So I'm just going to let them roll, and they can talk their way through it. And you sit there and make your own decision on what you see and what you like. And we will, when we're all done, we're going to head these cattle up, we'll open these gates up, and you can come in, work the chutes, talk to the guys, and really make a decision on these fine quality chutes that we have here. sometimes I used to rodeo quite a bit. And when you started drawing bad and riding bad, it just kept getting worse. And I'm seeing that happen here. Ah, look at this.
They actually open it in there because the vertical bar straight it down to the cow.
Are you good? I'm going to say this. Step out here for just a second. That last catch was the best catch I've seen so far. That was perfect. That was beautiful. That was really nice. Very good. Here's the thing in the cattle business. You make a mistake and you just got to live with it and try to fix it. And he did just that. He didn't panic, just fixed it. Here we go with the next one. So I kind of grew up in the auction business, and you could have a tractor and start it every day for a week, and sale day, when it was time to sell that tractor, wouldn't start. We're seeing the same thing here. Very good. So that shows the versatility, and so you knew she wasn't going to want to come out the front, so you just used your side exit, made her flow. Next time she comes through, she'll think about that. Very good. Thank you. That's the Titan. Chute. Now we'll go to the air equip. Your mic is on.
Just so you know, we all like we got a six-pack of beer in our pickup. Just got pulled over. We're shaking. We're nervous. The cow in here soon, y'all. Also, just go a lot smoother with it here. All right. So like on this, I got a solid tailgate here. So if it comes, I'm hidden. And I'll get rid of it. that'll be. I'll run this bar up behind her so she's not forward, backwards. Got access, the doors will open. We need to work on the head here, got head holder. She needs a little oven, there you go. Ladder out. Alright. Now he's a little bigger. But I'll just my squeeze to the side of the head. Now, I'll open that head gate up and give him some light. And if he's faster like that, I'll shut him down. And I'll just crack it up for a kitchen. Same thing. So mad. Give him a hard time. There you go.
Very good. I think you're winning bareback on so far. Yeah, I got you. All right, so we'll go with the Pearson chute next. When I used to do a lot of these colt starting demonstrations, my kids would be with me, and I'd tell folks in the audience, I'd say, I'm not going to change anything I do here just because you're watching. One day my son says to me, Dad, you're lying to those people. He says, you cuss them out more at home, so I see what these guys are saying.
Somebody has paid some people to do that. I just let this animal come in and catch itself with a self-catch head gate. Animal wasn't coming in real hot, so I wasn't really worried about any injury to the shoulders. Pretty much work any size of animal, Pearson and Chute. Any head work I want to do, I'm just going to use a head control unit. It's just going to help me if I do any ear tagging. A little bit unique thing with ours is we have a hydraulic lock on this. Now, it's not operated hydraulic, it's just a hydraulic lock. So it's very safe. You don't have to worry about somebody pushing down, an animal throwing her head down, and something coming up and hitting her. So. Joey, would you do that on that side? Same thing on this animal here, just let her catch herself. One thing I would mention, for those of you that have cattle with horns, we make 3 different head gates, 3 different tail gates, all of them interchangeable, so you can modify the chute to fit your needs. And we make different exit configurations. All chutes come with a single side exit in case we get an animal down and get in a bind and we need to roll her out of there. We have a single side, single Dutch, and double Dutch. Thank you.
And that's the Pearson chute. Yeah. Very good. Okay, now to the preferred. And the preferred chute is all a complete system of their 135-degree sweep system and that big old long alley. Yeah, and you folks over here, you might have to just step up, and it's club legal.
Okay, I'll bring her on.
Club legal to step on over and watch.
I'm ready, bring her on. my side contour on this chute. So when I squeeze her down, she kind of relaxes. She's not thrashing around in here trying to go crazy. She's real calm. I got lots of access right here for neck, shot, whatever. I got many drop down windows. If I need to work on her feet, I can drop this down, kneel on it, stay on the mud them up. Or if she made a calf, she wouldn't let me nurse. I can take this pound. While I'm out of here, let that calf get in there and nurse. Save that calf. This is one of the main things about this chute is that when they get in here, it just seems like they kind of relax. She's not all tore up. I can scratch on here. So, pretty simple. So now, I got a little smaller one, so I need to narrow this up a little bit. I'm just going to use that in another knot, so I'm ready for a calf. See how calm they are. Good girl. Thank y'all.
Very, very good. Okay, so that concludes the actual cattle working part. But there's, so you all can kind of make your decisions, and again, we'll come in just a minute, but we got to remember three things. First of all is safety. Safety for the human. That's very, very important. And then the second thing we've got to think about is beef quality assurance. And beef quality assurance is a big part of Ron Gills and I's life, and I think it should be a big part of anybody in cattle raisers or in the National Cattlemen's Beef Association. So with that, once again, we want to thank Aeroquip for putting this deal on and making it work, and all these guys for being such good sports and putting this thing together. And now it's your turn. But the third thing is money, cost. That's a big part of the deal too. And so come in, talk to these guys, feel their chutes, look at the whole system, and hopefully you've enjoyed this deal. It's been a great, great thing to see these guys all work together and bring you this road.